A basic guide by Clyde Vera. How to buy STRC in UK. Step 1. Choose your brokerage. Clyde used Robinhood for this example. It's a commission-free, withholding tax-free platform that's easy to use for new investors. And if you click on this text, it'll take you to my referral link to Robinhood. It's commission-free because every time you make a purchase on a stock like STRC, you're not going to be charged with any fees. The only fees that would take place is the pound conversion to dollars, which is only 0.1%, much lower than trading 212. Trading 212's pound to dollar fee is 0.15%. And what I mean by withholding tax free is that you know how every time you receive dividends from American stocks, there's usually a 15% withholding tax. Well, with STRC in Robinhood, you won't have to worry about any 15% withholding tax. I'll explain more about that by the end of this video, where I go over a comment. Step 2, it will prompt you to verify your identity. Be sure to follow their instructions. Getting approved allows you to fund, buy stocks, sell stocks, and withdraw it from your account. So it'll first ask for your ID. You'll have to take a photo of your ID, for example, your passport or driver's license. And afterwards, you'll be prompted to record your face. It'll scan your face to prove you're the one behind the ID. This really should be essential for every loans or anything to do with finances, because a lot of people get their identity stolen, and as a result, those who has their ID can scam that individual. But with a face record scan, this should help prevent fraud. And then it'll ask for personal Q&A. They'll ask for your occupation, relationship status, dependence, risk tolerance, and investing experience. You just gotta satisfy them by saying you have some experience and that you're not willing to go all in on a stock. Say maybe you'll invest 1 to 10% of your net worth, and you should be accepted. But it'll also ask if you want to benefit from US tax treaty. Say yes. So what this is the W8 form. All you gotta do is say yes to that, and that's important because you won't have to pay that 15% US withholding tax on your STRC dividends, right? STRC is considered return of capital and not your ordinary dividend stock. Because it's return of capital, your cost basis just gets reduced over the years so long as you hold STRC. In other words, if you hold STRC in a regular investing account, you won't be paying any taxes on your dividends for just over 9 years. I could make another video talking about this because it requires a whole understanding, but if you just want to get into STRC, I'll leave that for another day. Once your account has been approved, which usually takes a few minutes, you'll be able to access the platform without restrictions, which means you can now buy STRC. Step 3. Next, you need to fund your account. Robinhood by default uses the instant money transfer instead of the standard bank transfer. So if you don't know, instant money transfer is usually just you being prompted to your banking app and approving the transaction. That's how fast it is. On the other hand, standard bank transfer is when you go to your banking app and you type in the sort code and account number as well as the reference number, and that could be lengthy. You also have to wait for the business days to approve the transaction. Like, I don't think standard bank transfer would work on the weekends. However, instant money transfer does. Next, make sure you deposit your money into your ISA account, not individual account. That way, you can benefit from tax-free dividends. And here's a screenshot showing you the option. When you press deposit money, it'll give you this option: individual, or Stocks and Shares ISA. You obviously choose the ISA. Step 4. Search for STRC and buy it in your ISA. The screenshot shows that you have to press the search button and type in STRC. Tip: STRC is designed to stay in the $100 price range. Buying below that is a discount. And in a Robinhood app, this is what it should look like. Strategy Inc. Variable Rate Series A Perpetual Stretch Preferred Stock. That's a handful. When you press the buy button, you'll be given the option of either you buy through limit order or market order. To keep it simple, just buy it through the market order. Limit order is when you set a price of where you want to enter the stock, which really is more accurate. So if you want to buy below $100, you put on limit order 99.50 cent, for example. And then when STRC price hits $99.50, your buy price will execute. On the other hand, market order will just buy the price at whatever it is, maybe slightly higher due to the spread. Anyways, that's a bit more technical. I'll leave it for your research to understand what I just said. Step 5. If you use all your ISA funds, you may get a not enough buying power message when buying STRC. To fix this, you just gotta leave about 2% uninvested for the pound to dollar conversion. You can always invest a remainder later. So this is the message you'll get if you try to max out your purchase. Not enough buying power. We reserve an additional 2% of your buying power to cover possible currency fluctuations. Here's a little note. Because ISA can't hold dollars, Robinhood adds a 2% buffer to cover the British pounds to US dollar conversion when purchasing stocks. Yeah, for all those who don't know, you cannot hold dollars in an ISA. However, you can hold dollars in your individual investing account. So that's a cool thing about Robinhood. Step 6, which is optional, enable push notification for investor updates. That way you can get alerts when dividends are about to arrive and when they're paid. And here's what it looks like when you press the push notification. You just gotta check that to green. This is important if you want to stay updated and get reminded whenever you're about to receive your STRC dividends, which usually takes place on the 16th of every month, around that time anyway. Once you hold STRC, you can now enjoy the full 11.50% yield tax-free in your ISA account. And here's a picture of Michael Saylor and everyone else celebrating STRC. Here's a little tip. To receive this month's dividend, you'll need to buy STRC before the ex-dividend date, which is the 15th of each month. To be safe, consider buying STRC between 1st and the 12th of each month. So the ex-dividend date is when your position gets reported to Strategy, the company. When they see that you are an investor of STRC, that's when they'll pay you your dividend by the end of the month. However, this happens on the 15th of each month. So if you want to get paid by the end of this month, you have to buy between the 1st and 12th, just to be safe. Step 7. The dividends usually arrives in Robinhood ISA around 2 a.m. on the second business day of the month. At least that's what my experience is. So even though the dividends gets paid out by the end of the month, you'll actually get it into your account of the second business day of the following month. And it'll happen around 2 a.m. UK time. Now to withdraw the money, just go to your profile, tap the 3-line menu, then select transfer. So bottom right is your profile, the 3-line menu is at the top left, hit transfer and then withdraw. Now, how much can you potentially make from STRC? If you invested £5,000 in it, you'll get £575 per year. from STRC. That's £47 a month. If you invested £10,000, you'll get £1,150 per year, £95 a month. 20k invested, you get £2,300 a year, £191 a month. If you invest 100k, you'll get £11,500 a year, £958 per month. And obviously, it gets crazier the more you invest. £500,000 invested, you get £57,500 per year, £4,700 a month, pretty much. And this is because the yield is 11.50%. And here's a little information. 0.115 represents 11.50%. And that 12 represents the months in a year. And then step 8, get started with STRC in Robinhood. And then when you press this button, it'll take you to my referral link. Which, if you actually do that, it'll help support this channel and for this free information I just provided for you. This page was created to help spread the good news, and if you need further assistance, just contact Clyde, which is me. Now I want to get into the comment on the previous video that I uploaded. Shout out to A1 Boys, because he confirmed that he has IBKR in Australia, he owns STRC, and he gets paid the dividend as return of capital. And he wrote, "So I don't see why IBKR in the UK will not do the same." What he's essentially saying is he got the full 11.50% yield from IBKR. I wrote, "Nice one. When you signed up for IBKR, did they give you the option to apply for the US tax treaty, W8? Because they did that with me for Robinhood, and now I get the full 11.50% yield." He replied, "I filled the form and I don't pay withholding tax on only STRC. However, I pay 15% tax on my other ETF." I said, "That makes sense. Once the W8 form is filled out, the US-Australia tax treaty usually reduces withholding to 15%. But since STRC is classified as return of capital, then there's no withholding tax. For those other ETFs are probably paying normal dividends, which is why they get the 15% tax." And he said, correct. So for Australian investors, they actually benefit from the full 11.50% yield with IBKR. But for me personally, I tried it and I realized that there is a 15% US withholding tax, even when I filed the W8 form with them. This is why I can only recommend buying STRC through Robinhood, because I never got that US withholding tax. He also asked, "My question is, can you buy STRC on Trading 212? Unfortunately, Trading 212 doesn't seem that eager to have strategies preferred stocks in the platform, so Robinhood is the best alternative for UK investors." Yeah, unfortunately, Trading 212 does not have STRC in their platform, and I did make a post about that in one of my videos, so you can go check that out. And I saw a few people were eager to have STRC in Trading 212, but as of right now, Robinhood seems to be the one stealing their customers, because they have Stretch in their platform, they also have the ISA in their platform, and their FX fee is much lower than Trading 212. So in that case, Robinhood takes the lead. But what do you guys think? Comment below, and if you want to get into STRC, please use my referral link, it helps the channel, and for this free information I just gave to you. All the best!